Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring physical compatibility and immediate action. Make sure your reader matches your iPhone port and the card clicks in firmly. This prevents partial connections. Once done, plug the reader into the iPhone and unlock the screen so the system can detect the device. Allow any prompt that asks for access. You do this now because detection must happen before app-level actions. Proceeding without granting access blocks file transfer and import options later. Once the external drive appears in Files, tap it and navigate folders just like local storage. You select to mark items, then copy or move into on my iPhone or an iCloud Drive folder depending on where you want them stored. For photos and videos, switch to Photos and use Import to bring media into your library. This preserves metadata. If you handle RAW or proprietary formats, open a compatible app from Files to Import. This avoids lossy conversions and preserves full quality. Complete the workflow by confirming files appear in the destination app and then safely eject the drive in Files or Close apps before unplugging. This prevents corruption. Make a backup to iCloud or a computer if the data is important. If the reader isn't recognized, try a powered reader or different cable. Check that the SD card is formatted as XFAT or FAT32 and reboot the iPhone. These steps resolve most connectivity and formatting conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.